Hello guys, it's me Avian from TechTecto, and today I'm going to make an unboxing and the first impressions video of the Mi Band 5. So let's get started. So this is the Mi Band box. Now as you can see that my variant is the Chinese one, that's why all these specifications are in Chinese language, but other than that it's a pretty normal box. So in the box we get a big paperwork which is Xiaomi's instruction manual. Then we get the band itself, which we'll come back to a bit later on, and then we get the charger itself, which is a pretty big upgrade from last generation. So this is the Xiaomi band itself. It is in a plastic polymer packaging and it comes with a black color band, which is pretty normal for any of the Xiaomi bands that you can buy in Bangladesh. But other than that, in other countries such as Europe and China, you can get in multiple color variants. So this is the band itself, and I really like this band, and I really think it's a pretty big upgrade for me, as I've been daily driving the Mi Band 3 since 2 years now, and for that 2 years the Mi Band 3 gave me excellent performance and I haven't had any complaints about it. And so I thought that I would try the latest upgraded version of the Mi Band itself, and so I have bought the Mi Band 5. Now quick disclaimer, this is not a full review of the Mi Band 5, this is just a first impressions and an unboxing video. So that aside, let's talk about the Mi Band 5. So the first thing that you will notice right away when you turn this band on is its colorful high resolution display. Now it's pretty vivid and I really like the pixel density of it, because coming from the Mi Band 3, which had a monochrome lower resolution display, I think it's a pretty big upgrade for me and I really appreciate this. The thing that I want to talk about right now is about the build quality. Now the build quality remains unchanged starting from the band itself and the device. Now another area where I wanted Xiaomi to improve a lot was the display area. Now from the Mi Band 2 till the Mi Band 3, Xiaomi used a plastic polycarbonate display on the front display, and you can see that it's pretty smudged up from the 2 years of wear and tear, and it's something that I really did not appreciate about the Mi Band 3, but finally Xiaomi fixed that issue starting from the Mi Band 4, and now we get a 2.5D curved round display, and I really like this upgrade. But other than that, the build quality remains unchanged. Now talking about the features, I have noticed quite a lot of upgrade from the Mi Band 3, including 11 workout modes, color display, the ability to change and add more watch faces, then ability to change music, ability to shoot pictures using this as a remote control of your phone's camera, and many more. I just gave a quick first impressions of the new Mi Band 5. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please do subscribe, as a sub would be massive and I'm trying to get to 1,000 subs by the end of this year. So see you in the next one, and that's me signing off.